Hi, this is Asa Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are at Vee Kay Enterprises at Gartex 2020. Sir, would you please like to introduce yourself and the company to our audience?
Hi, this is Amit from Vee Kay Enterprises. We deals in digital textile printing machines, and we import machines from China and little bit manufacturing here in Noida as well. So we are making slow speed model over here in India, and high production machines we are buying from China. This is our company. We are doing this for last 15 years, and this is our company profile.
And what exactly is the ratio of the importation versus the manufacturing that is actually happening in the
It's a
company?
price benefit, nothing else. If you are assembling in India, you can make a machine little bit cheaper, and that margin goes, that benefit goes to our customers in India.
What is the recent innovation in your industry that's helping?
What? Pardon?
What is the recent innovation that happened in the industry that is helping you?
Innovation is that more of the people are shifting from conventional printing to digital ones. That's the real motivation for us to make a higher speed machines over here.